Heart rate variability might sound technical, but it's actually a key to understanding your body's readiness for training and recovery. So, what is HRV? HRV measures the variation in the time between heartbeats, indicating your body's balance between stress and recovery. Higher HRV is associated with parasympathetic nervous system dominance, signaling that your body is at rest, while lower HRV may indicate increased stress. Garmin devices automatically track HRV during sleep and calculate your personal baseline after about 3 weeks of consistent use. Your HRV status is divided into 4 categories: balanced, unbalanced, low, or poor. Balanced. When your 7-day average HRV is within your personal baseline range, it indicates a healthy balance in your body, supporting optimal function. Unbalanced. If your HRV is slightly above or below your baseline, it may reflect recovery or temporary stress. These changes are normal and typically don't require concern unless prolonged. Low indicates that your body may be fatigued or under stress. More rest and recovery are recommended. Poor. When HRV is significantly lower than healthy standards, lifestyle adjustments or professional advice may be needed. Does higher HRV always mean better recovery? It's a common misconception that higher HRV is always better, but that's not the case. A sudden rise in HRV above your baseline could indicate overtraining or a tough recovery rather than effective recovery. Tracking HRV long-term helps you focus on meaningful trends, not just high numbers. To improve your HRV, focus on lifestyle changes, consistent exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and staying hydrated. Remember, the goal is to keep your HRV stable within your healthy range, not to aim for the highest possible value. With Garmin, understanding HRV becomes effortless. Simply wear your device at night and use the Garmin app to track trends, using your baseline as a health guide. Thanks for watching. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.